Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your Exodus wallet. So step number one is to download and open the Cash App with your mobile device. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. On the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin icon located at the bottom of your screen. This will open your Bitcoin balance and options for sending or receiving Bitcoin. After that, tap on the Send Bitcoin button. If this is your first time sending Bitcoin from Cash App, you may be prompted to enable withdrawals by verifying your identity. This process may require you to provide additional information like your social security number, or take a photo of your ID. Once you're done with the verification, open the Exodus Wallet app, tap on the Bitcoin from the asset list, and then select the Receive button. Now, copy the Bitcoin address provided. This is your Exodus Wallet's Bitcoin address. After copying the address, go back to the Cash App and paste the Exodus Wallet address where you want to send your Bitcoin. Double check the address to make sure it's correct. Mistakes can result in loss of funds. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from Cash App to Exodus, and then Cash App will display the amount in both Bitcoin or local currency. You have to review the details, including the recipient address and the amount. And then after that, tap on Next to proceed, or tap on Confirm to send the Bitcoin to your Exodus wallet. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!